The formula editor is one of my favorite features at Trade Ideas. It lets you take the data we already have and mix and match in interesting ways that nobody else has seen before. You start from the filters that you already know. These are the ones that are already available in Trade Ideas. And there's a few extra data points that you can use. Some of these are very useful in different situations. And again, you can use a simple math notation to combine these to make more powerful things. Let's have a real simple example. I can't decide if I want to look at the change from the close or the change from the open. So I decide to make my own filter that's the average of the two. This is what it looks like normally. This is what it looks like in the formula language. The white space doesn't matter. So that's from the close in dollars. And this is from the open in dollars. Copy and paste. And we want to take the average, normal math stuff, parentheses, and all the same rules that you learned back in middle school. So there we have it. So what do we want to call this? Well, these are called change from the close and change from the open. How about recent change? Units, dollars. Format, price is probably the best. You have some options, but graphics, not really applicable in this case, but another option. Poof, I just made a new filter. Now, when I start Trade Ideas, right next to all of these classic filters that you already know and love, I will have this number 36. It will be labeled recent change, and it'll look like this. Again, this is just a starting point. This was just an example to show you the sorts of things that you can do. Some of these things get very crazy, very big, very complicated. I'm always amazed at the things that our customers do with our tools. Thank you for your time. Please take a look.